ambitious entrepreneurs and professional women. This is your wake-up call. Your very own Rashida is knocking on your door. Let me ask you this question. Are you caught in constant struggle of balancing family, entrepreneurship, personal growth, and maybe even finances? And you're feeling like there's never enough time or energy or clarity to succeed in it all. Without the right strategy and support, the cycle continues, sis. Overwhelming burnout, that constantly juggling demands, leaving you exhausted and running on empty. Can you imagine having unrealized potential? Dreams of financial independence and scaling your business remains just that, dreams. Imagine financial struggles without guidance. You might miss out on building wealth or creating sustainable income streams altogether. How about strained relationships? The tug of war between work and family. It takes a toll on you. It leaves you feeling unsupported. Lack of clarity and confidence. Unsure where you're supposed to focus. You might even question your ability to achieve your goals. But it doesn't have to be this way. Join my masterclass and learn how to create your signature offer that will create your signature life. One product. It's your chance to break the cycle. Step into clarity and take control of your future. I'll show you exactly how to create the balance, financial freedom, and personal growth that you've been craving, all while working smarter, not harder. Imagine designing a life that aligns with your values. It'll allow you to thrive in your business and nurtures your relationships. The strategies and shifts that I'll teach you exactly what you need to rewrite your story and step into 2025 as the powerful, powerhouse, unstoppable force that you're meant to be. Register now. Claim your seat in this life. Change your experiences. Your next level is waiting. Don't keep it waiting for too long. What you doing? Click, 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 click.